Hello everyone, welcome to solve this expression which is 20 raised to the power x plus 20 raised to the power x is equal to 2000. So first of all we will go through the most obvious solution that most students go through, and I will tell you why the solution is wrong. So 20 raised to the power x plus 20 raised to the power x equals 200. Now this taking 20 raised to the power x common, we get 1 plus 1 is equal to 200, or 20 raised to the power x times 2 equals 200. Dividing both side by 2, we get 20 raised to the power x equals 100. So till here both the correct method and the wrong method solutions till here is same, or simplification till here is same. Now let's go through the wrong solution, or the most obvious solution which is wrong. So 20 raised to the power x is equal to 100. So 20 can be written as 4 times 5 and power remains x is equal to 100 can be written as 20 times 5. Now we know the property that a dot b raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power m times b raised to the power m. So using this, here we get 4 raised to the power x dot 5 raised to the power x is equal to, now 20 can be written as 4 times 5 and again here 5. So 4 raised to the power x times 5 raised to the power x is equal to 4 raised to the power 1 times this, a into a is a square, so 5 square. Now what the thing is that they are going to equate. So from 4 we get x is equal to 1, and from 5 raised to the power x we get x is equal to 2, and this is wrong. So how this is wrong, let's check it. So when we put the value of x in here, we get 20 plus 20 which is equal to 40, but on the right side there should be 200. Now let's go with x is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, we get 20 raised to the power 2 plus 20 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 400 plus 400 and is equal to 800, but on the right side is 200. So both of the solution is wrong. So most of the time, or many times, the most obvious looking solution are wrong. Now let's go through the correct method. So our expression, simplified expression was 20 raised to the power x. 20 raised to the power x is equal to 100. Now we will take log on both. So log of 20 raised to the power x is equal to log 100. Now we have rule that log of a raised to the power m is same as m log o. And why we are using this rule? Because we want to bring this x in here so that we can equate it to the right side. So here we get x log 20 equals log 100. Now we want to get rid of this log 20 so that we on the left we are only left with x. So dividing both side by log 20, we get this cancel out and we get x is equal to log 100 can be written as 20 times 5 and over it is log 20. Now we are going to use property which is log of a times b is same as log a plus log b. So actually this is the main property or product property of logarithm. So this was invented so that long calculations of space can be made easy. because many of the times numbers are big, so they're taking out the product of them require a lot of efforts, but addition require less. So that's why this property was developed. So log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So this 20 times 5 can be written as x is equal to log 20 plus log 5 and whole over log 20. Now this is same as log 20 over log 20 plus log 5 over log 20. So x is equal to log 20 over log 20 plus log 5 over log 20. This cancel out and we get x is equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 20. Now we are going to use the division property of logarithm, that is log a over log b is same as log a to base b. This become the base and this become the value. So log a over log a base b. So our real solution x become 1 plus log of 5 base 20. So this is our value of x. Now we want to check that this solution or the value that we have got is correct or not. So our simplified form was like this 20 raised to the power x is equal to 100. So we are going to put the value of x here. So first of all here check. So 20 raised to the power x is 1 plus log 5 base 10 and we want to check it is equals to 100 or not. So now we are going to use the property of a raised to the power m plus n. So and this property says that a raised to the power m plus n is equal to a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So using this, here we get 20 raised to the power 1 plus 20 raised to the power log 5 base 20, and we are checking. So question mark, right side 100, here times product. So 20 times 1 is 20 and 20 raised to the power 1 is 20 and times. Here we are going to use another property which is a raised to the power log of b base a, that is a raised to the power log of b base a. So this and this is same, base and the power on which log is are same, then we get the value of b on the right side. So here it become a is our 20 and b is our 5. So 20 times 5 and question mark 100 or not. So 20 times 5 is 100 and is equal to right side. Therefore LHS is equal to right hand side. Hence our value of x is correct. So hope you got the correct method to find the solution, and please do like, share and subscribe so that I can make more videos solving this type of questions. Thanks for watching.